So hi everyone, Dr. Sushil this side, and I have with me the super impressive box of the eGurukul 4.0 notes. The box full of the positive vibes. So what all it has, let's see, let's open it. And before that, this word, it matters a lot. Keep smiling. Let's open it up. So yeah, so a wonderful box full of the colorful notes, and on the top of that we have something very good. Okay, so additional box is also there. What exactly is that? Keep that smile on. All right, so definitely these kind of words, these kind of positive things, they keep you motivating all the time when you are little dull. And if you see just this word somewhere written somewhere next to you, it is very interesting. And there comes a letter from our CVO. The CEO is saying the best of luck to you. That's very important, from Dr. Bhatia. And then definitely these are the kind of things we keep on gathering in all our classrooms. And you see, this good sessions, replenish with nature, welcome back, good job. So all the time they will keep on motivating you. So it's very much required. Wonderful arrangements. There is a diary, there is a notepad to keep you, making all the time, note down all the important things that you should never miss. And whenever you are reading, some permanent markers, some CD, DVD markers, definitely they also helps you to write on the very shining glossy papers. And you have the markers, obviously, to point out the important things, and the paper clips, the kind of things that a student require while reading any kind of book. These are the definite basic accessories that every student looks for and is there all the time in your drawers also. So let's see, let's talk about the books as well. So we have the wonderfully arranged book like this, the red one, the green one, the pink one, the colorful notes we have, all of them arranged in a very beautifully decorated manner. So all of them. So there are many in this box. And if I tell you about mine, my subject, this one is a beautifully, two designs here, you can see, and the boy and a girl, reading from the mobile devices. And if you find something written over there, studying alone can get boring sometime, and definitely find a friend to share the journey with. Definitely a very important message. So what is so special about this notes inside this book? Let's have a look on that. So first page gives you some details about me. And then we have what's new in the 4.0. So it is giving you the complete details. The better image quality covers 95% of the video lectures, the smart color coding, and it is not just for the sake of writing here. It is actually incorporated. Let's see how. So when you see, the first page, the table of content, these are in tandem in according to the lectures which have been there in your eGurukul app, the 4.0. Okay. So all the things, all the topics over here, and you see you have the active spaces at the end of each page. You can all observe that. Definitely, one of the most important point that every student look for is, like, if I'm reading about this particular boxer's fracture, where exactly is it in the app? So then you have a timeline here. You can see it at 71st minute and the 47-second timeline. Okay, and every image you see, it is so beautifully labeled. You can see the radius, the ulna, the scaphoid, leonate, everything is marked very nicely. You go on to the clinical images, the hand, so beautifully seen here. You see the tables, you see the animated pictures, tabulated things inside the book, clinical test arranged in a very beautiful manner. So I think this is going to be something very amazing. When you don't have your own notes, if you wish to have something ready for you, looking at the videos and you just want to highlight them, use these accessories, definitely going to help out. Miss out anything, or you want to continue from a particular page, use these clippers definitely. You find something very important which you are not able to retain for a longer time, use this diary maybe to write that down. Alright, so I think this will be a wonderful thing. All of the pictures, genuinely guys, I am super amazed and super happy looking at these images. Look at this beautiful image of this non-ossifying fibroma. Even that clarity, is never seen in any of the, like most of the Google images as well. So this is something very interesting, wonderful image of the fibrous dysplasia. This is super cool. Clinical pictures, clinical scenarios, the flaps, the onion peel, everything is super amazing here. All right, so I think you all are going to enjoy these 4.0 coming up with a positive vibe for all of you. And I wish you all the very best. And while you're reading these notes, definitely this will bring a smile on your faces. And this is going to be the one-stop solution for your all desires you are looking for. All the very best.